Hello friends, I am Prachi. Welcome to this YouTube channel. I hope you are all healthy and happy. So, today's our topic is illumination. This is the unit number 1 in utilization of electrical energy. Very important topic. So, now here we see first point, that is the illumination. In this video, we see the all definitions, all concept, their explanation and the यूनिट्स ऑफ ऑल कंसेप्ट. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट. हियर सी द इल्यूमिनेशन. अब हम देखेंगे कि इल्यूमिनेशन मीन्स क्या होता है, डेफिनेशन एंड देयर यूनिट्स. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट. इल्यूमिनेशन, इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज द ल्यूमिनस फ्लक्स रिसीव्ड बाय अ सरफेस पर यूनिट एरिया. मीन्स luminous flux received by a surface per unit area. It is defined as the luminous flux received by a surface per unit area. Means illumination is equals to luminous flux per unit area, and it is denoted by E. Means illumination is denoted by E and represented by lumens per square meter or lux. Means unit क्या है इसका, lumens per square meter or lux. This is the unit of illumination. Here see, E is equals to F by A. E is equals to F by A. E means illumination and F means flux, luminous flux, and A is the area. So here see, E is equals to F by A means illumination is equals to luminous flux by area, surface per unit area. Means luminous flux received by a surface per unit area is called as illumination, and unit is that lumens per square meter, or it is also called the lux. So illumination is equals to flux upon area is equals to lumens per square meter or lux. So this is about the illumination. This is very important point. So now we see the important definition regarding to illumination. These definitions are very important for the MCQs exam. So here see, first is the light. What is light and what is the definition of this? So now we see light. It is defined as that radiant energy from hot body which produces the visual sensation upon the human eye. Means what is the light? It is defined as the radiant energy. Which energy? Radiant energy from hot body. किससे मिलती है ये? हॉट बॉडी से. एंड विच प्रोड्यूसेस द विजुअल सेंसेशन अपॉन द ह्यूमन आई. क्या प्रोड्यूस करती है? विजुअल सेंसेशन अपॉन द ह्यूमन आई. दैट इज कॉल्ड द लाइट. मीन्स इट इज डिफाइंड एज द रेडियंट एनर्जी फ्रॉम हॉट बॉडी which produces the visual sensation upon the human eye. So this question asks in exam like that. Means dash dash defined as that radiant energy from hot body which produces the visual sensation upon the human eye. So our answer is light. This is the definition of light. It is very important. Then next is depreciation factor. Means what? What is the depreciation factor? It is the ratio. So here see, it is the ratio of illumination when everything is clean to the illumination under normal condition. डिप्रेशिएशन फैक्टर क्या है? एक रेशियो है. किसका? तो इल्यूमिनेशन कब? व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज क्लीन टू द इल्यूमिनेशन अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशन. Means illumination when everything is clean and illumination under normal condition, that is called the depreciation factor. This is also asked in exam. Means illumination when everything is clean to the illumination under normal condition, then our answer is depreciation factor. Or what is the depreciation factor? So it is the, our answer is, it is the ratio of illumination when everything is clean to the illumination under normal condition. This question asks sometimes in exam. So this is very important, depreciation factor. Next is mean spherical candle power. These all definitions are very important. So See carefully. Mean spherical candle power means what? It is defined as the mean of candle power in all planes from the source of light. कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? एज द मीन ऑफ कैंडल पावर इन ऑल प्लेन्स फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. मीन्स लाइट की सोर्स से जो होता है मीन ऑफ कैंडल पावर इन ऑल प्लेन्स फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. समझ में आ रहा है इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज द मीन ऑफ कैंडल पावर इन ऑल प्लेन्स फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. इट इज़ called as mean spherical candle power. Next is plane angle. Plane angle means what? It is angle. ये क्या है? एक एंगल है विच इज सबटेंडेड एट अ पॉइंट एंड इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय टू स्ट्रेट लाइन. मीन्स ये कहाँ से निकलता है? 2 पॉइंट से. एंड इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय, एंड एनक्लोज किस में होता है? 2 स्ट्रेट लाइन लाइंग इन द सेम प्लेन. जो कि 2 लाइन सेम प्लेन में है उसमें है एनक्लोज होता है. तो प्लेन एंगल मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज एंगल. ये क्या है? एंगल है विच इज सबटेंडेड एट अ पॉइंट एंड इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय अ 2 स्ट्रेट लाइन lying in a same plane. It is called as plane angle. This also asks in exam. Means angle which is subtended at a point and is enclosed by 2 straight line lying in the same plane. So our answer is plane angle. Options are plane angle, solid angle, or something, all angles. So our answer is plane angle. Means it is angle which is subtended at a point and is enclosed by 2 straight line lying in the same plane. It is called as plane angle. Then next is solid angle. Means what we see? Angle is subtended at a point in space by an area and is the angle enclosed in the volume formed by the infinite number of lines on the surface of volume and meeting point. Means solid angle ये भी एक angle है but it is suspended at a point in space. Means ये कहाँ सस्पेंडेड होता है? इन स्पेस बाय एन एरिया एंड इज द एंगल एनक्लोज्ड इन द वॉल्यूम फॉर्म बाय इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स लाइंग ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ वॉल्यूम एंड मीटिंग पॉइंट. सो दिस इज द सॉलिड एंगल एंड द प्लेन एंगल. Plane angle means it is suspended at a point and in enclosed by a 2 straight line. And solid angle means it is subtended at a point in space by an area is an enclosed to in the volume forced by an infinite number. Means solid angle enclosed in the volume formed by infinite number of lines, and plane angle enclosed by 2 straight line. So this is the difference of solid angle and plane angle. Now next we see the what is the reduction factor. ये भी एक रेशो है. सो इट इज़ द रेशो ऑफ इट्स मीन स्पेरिकल कैंडल पावर टू इट्स मीन हॉरिजॉन्टल कैंडल पावर. मीन्स ये किसका रेशो है? मीन स्पेरिकल कैंडल एंड मीन हॉरिजॉन्टल कैंडल पावर. रिडक्शन फैक्टर it is ratio of its mean spherical candle power to its mean horizontal candle power. So this is the reduction factor. This is also asked in exam. These all definitions are asked in exam in MCQs type or in descriptive type. So this is very very important. Reduction factor is the ratio of mean spherical candle power to its mean horizontal candle power. Means spherical candle and horizontal candle power. So lamp efficiency means what? It is defined as the ratio of luminous flux to the power input. Lamp efficiency, it is also the ratio, but what ratio? It is defined as the ratio of the luminous flux to the power input. Means ये ratio किसका है? तो luminous flux to the power input, means that is called the lamp efficiency. Then specific consumption means what? Specific consumption, it is defined as the power input to the average candle power. कैसे डिफाइन किया जाता है इसे? स्पेसिफिक कंजम्पशन, इट इज डिफाइंड एज द पावर इनपुट टू द एवरेज कैंडल पावर. पावर इनपुट टू द एवरेज कैंडल पावर. देन ग्लेयर, it is defined as the brightness within the field of vision of such a character as to cause interference. Means it is defined as the brightness. When the word brightness, then our answer is glare. When in MCQs asks brightness within the field of vision, then our answer is glare. Then tick the answer glare. It is defined as the brightness within the field of vision of such a character cause interference, then our answer is glare. When you see the brightness within the field of vision or only the brightness, then our answer is glare. So glare, it is defined as the brightness within the field of vision of such a character to cause interference. So this is called the glare. Then we see the utilization factor, maintenance factor, depreciation factor, and the source of light. These all we see in the next video. So thank you. I hope you like this video.